We are back at it. It's been a couple of weeks actually from the last time I picked up the camera, and that was actually in Cape Town. And a lot has happened, and as always the time has flying by very fast, and it's been longer days than ever, and also a lot of good progress as well, of course, coming with that, and more like work on the strategic stuff and the overall business, and of course the funding as well. So now it is finally kind of time to get back to the vlogs and get back to documenting more of the day-to-day and what is happening, because I really enjoy that as well. And it's been just like hard to pick up the camera and document stuff, because it is literally been just us sitting in the office for 12 hours a day and then going back to bed and sleeping and then going to the gym and going to the office. So there has been nothing to, or that's what I've been thinking. Of course, there is some things and insights that I could share and also would want to share. So that's what I really need to improve, to be able to share those and to be able to document what it's actually like to run a startup. And because it is not just like all good and fun and traveling and doing cool stuff and being in cool meetings and stuff like that, because most of the time it is just us sitting in the office. But I'll try to get that documented in a good and fun way as well, and in an enjoyable way that it's entertaining to watch and also educational at the same time. So now let's get back to it. And today is actually Sunday, and just came from a 10-kilometer run, and now I'm gonna pick up some coffee and eat some lunch, and then probably take it easy for the rest of the day, read some books, clean the house, do the meal preps, and then get started with the new week tomorrow. And I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna be an exciting one.
Does my hair look beautiful? Do my titties look right? Think I can knock a boy off right now?
All the girls that's here for the truth, come put both hands on a DJ booth, then wind your waist to the big man sound. And I get too stiff cause the thing's too round. Good God, make me lift up your gown, but your face so sweet, wanna spin you around. If I go link gang, I'll bring you around. If I go to the bar, I'll bring you around. Which one? Which one? You're not like the things you're around. You're a real good girl, so I'm bringing you down. But
there we go. It is now Monday. We are back at it, and it is coming to a 9 p.m. in the evening. So of course just sat down in the office for the whole day and was really just kind of helping to fix the actual product and really dive deep into that and put a lot of effort, because that's something that we really now need to improve as well. It is at a good kind of base state, but kind of both the functionalities, the actual software, and also kind of how the actual agent works, or how kind of the multi-agentic system actually works and performs, is something that really needs to be top-notch in order for us to really be able to scale it in the next stages. So that was kind of the whole topic of today. I'd say a very solid day overall. The eyes and the brain is starting to be pretty fried, so I think now is a good time to head back to home, take some easy in the evening, and then hit the bed and get a new day going on tomorrow. These are the days and the weeks to remember then in the future, of the hard days and long hours and problems to fix, and some wins, some losses, or some lessons to learn. So just gotta keep moving forward. I think that is the main thing as always. But let's continue tomorrow.
might not recognize me through the smoke in the tinted windows. I'm still in business, so every time niggas try saying I change, I don't get offended. They wasn't even with me when I was getting mail from a cell, no assistance, couldn't change sentence. I age with vision.
Right now I'm just walking to the office from a morning gym, back in the kind of gym, tennis, golf, running, maybe some high rocks. A lot of mixing in the training at the moment. Nothing specific in terms of goals at the moment, but maybe we'll put up a specific goal at some point to really, again, push towards something specific, very hard, because I find that that's always very rewarding and always puts up a nice extra effort to the training when you have a goal that you really want to achieve. That being said, let's head to the office. Let's get back to work.
I didn't hurt many, they pride and feelings. I let the whole world paint me a villain. Long as
There we go, that is mostly it again. A full work day behind. It is now getting into 8 p.m. in the evening. And yeah, it was a very successful day overall and got a lot of things done. As told, pretty much during the whole day, work with the team to kind of really nail down the product, and I can say that the product is going into a very, very exciting way and into very good direction. And now in the kind of past month or 2 months, we kind of took a little bit step back from kind of just the sales grind and all of that, although that continues of course, but kind of planned a new way to be different in the market with the product, and that is going very well, and we already attract a lot of big and small clients basically because of that thing that we are building. So excited to kind of share later on some of the new product updates and kind of to the direction that we've been pushing it. And yeah, as told, a couple of enterprise level deals coming as well, or in the negotiations, or some of them have already started and some of them are coming. So that is very exciting as well to kind of get those under us on top of all the SMBs that we are working with. So yeah, can't complain at all, and soon we are also getting back into the full mode of sales and marketing and really pushing the whole GTM effort as well. But that being said, I'll now head back to home, make some dinner, continue a little bit with the work, and then I'm gonna read some book and wind down for the evening, or I don't know, take a walk. It is finally summer here in Finland, so need to enjoy that as well a little bit.
Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. This look like a job for me, so everybody just follow me. Cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Little hellions kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed. Their parents still listen to Elvis. They start feeling like prisoners, helpless, till someone comes along on a mission and yells, bitch! A visionary vision is scary. We start a revolution, pollute.
It's starting to be another end of the day, end of the week actually, or end of the work days week. It is now Friday. Let me see what the time is actually. It's been a long week, it's been a long day. It is 8:30 p.m. in the evening, and yeah, just got to finish the task for today, or got the time to stop the work and leave to home. And we are forwarding very nicely with the 2.0 product, and as told, that has been literally the whole thing for us this week. And even though we are just 4 founders, I think we have done very, very great job of kind of, we have the tech guy handling the most kind of techiest things, and then also of course all of us like super AI natives, and nowadays actually I'm gonna do a proper deep dive at some point of how we run the company, but all of our systems are basically AI native and nothing is really done manually, whether it's finances, operations, sales, marketing, the product, testing, simulations, like whatever. Everything is AI based and running either all the time autonomously, or then just kind of with us, the team kind of handling and making the triggers and stuff like that. But yeah, what I was saying is that we have the tech guy kind of handling the most techiest things in the product, then kind of all of us other 3 founders can kind of input their own things straight away into the product and in a relevant way into the product. Kind of me being also a little bit on the techier side, implementing some of the things to the product, more to the UI UX side of things, and actually making those things work. Then kind of all of us designing like how the thing should work, how the platform should work, how the agent should act, and stuff like that. So that's been kind of a great collaboration between all of us, and then kind of us also kind of now handling more of the kind of getting more and more into proper sales motions on top of that. And yeah, things are looking great. It has been a lot of ups and downs as always in the startup world, but yeah, that's why we're doing it, for the love of the game and for the love of the journey and enjoying the journey. And yeah, really looking forward to kind of again picking up the camera more, documenting more things in detail on a kind of day-to-day basis of what we are actually building and how we are running things and all those kind of things as soon as we get kind of away from this kind of rebuilding of the product and kind of the pivoting a little bit. But that being said, I'll now head back to home, grab some food, grab a book to read, and then chill out for the evening. And then the weekend is going to be a little bit of golfing tomorrow, seeing some friends, a little bit of work, and then not doing that much work, but keeping the momentum going, because as always, do not let the momentum fall away. It is one of the biggest learnings I've learned throughout these, I don't know, past years. So let's get it.
La 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 la.